Today I'm working on a FF12 mini excavator, and what I'm gonna be doing today, I am going to be replacing the grease fitting. I don't like the ones that comes with the mini excavator. And what you're gonna need 8 M8 grease fittings and 1 M10 grease fitting. I'm gonna show you where they're all at, and then we're gonna replace them together. I'm going to begin in front of the mini excavator, and the only one that is an M10 is this one right here, and you're gonna need a 12mm socket, and then we just keep going up. This is an M8. We keep going up. Another M8. Another M8. And then over here we got another M8. Another M8. And then you keep going down. Another one here. Another one over there. Another one here. You're gonna have to go under. You're gonna have to lift up the blade. When you pick up the blade, please make sure you turn off the battery. So let's start replacing them. We're gonna replace the M10 first, and for the M10 you're gonna need a 12mm socket, and for the M8 you're gonna need a 10mm socket. So all we do is just this is how it looks. There's a reason why I don't like it, because it makes it a little hard to add grease on it. So we'll take the M10 grease fitting. Looks like you're gonna need a 10. Yep. So once you replace them, you're gonna need a 10mm socket. There you go. You already replaced one. Let's replace the other ones. There goes the other one. As you can see, it's smaller than the other one. Put it by hand first. Oh, it looks like that the M8 is gonna need a smaller socket. Let's see what it is. So when we replace the M10, it's a 10mm socket once you change the grease fitting, but for the M8, it's another different size socket. So let me see what it is. I'll be right back. So once you replace it, the M8 is gonna become, the grease fitting is gonna become a 9mm socket. And these are much better than the ones we had. So let's keep going up. I probably said in the beginning of the video that you have to go through the bottom to get this one out. It's not true. You can do it right from the top. The same way you did the other ones. These grease fittings should be better than the ones we had. So let's look at all of them.